everyone. I am Diamond Master Marina Nguyen, reporting live from Atomy Canada's head office. Today, we will go over an exciting recap of the most important event that happened this year. The Atomy Canada Success Academy. Atomy Canada hosted two spectacular celebrations, one in Toronto on May 11th and one in Calgary on May 25th. These events were nothing short of extraordinary, bringing together aspiring Atomians to connect and celebrate. This journey started in Toronto, where 600 Atomians gathered from all over Canada to celebrate and to recognize the achievements of Canadian members. The energy was through the roof as members flooded the registration area, ready for a day packed with entertainment and success stories. Success Academy started with an interactive product presentation on one of our best-selling products, the Absolute Skincare Set. Attendees were wowed by the in-depth look at this innovative product line while learning more about its incredible benefits. Following that was a detailed session on the righteous compensation plan of Atomy. Precious information was shared for everyone to enjoy the absolute quality products while reaching a successful and balanced life with Atomy. In Toronto, our event took a dynamic turn as we celebrated excellence with the award for the Best Center Manager of the Year 2023 and a second award dedicated to the Best Education Center of 2023. These awards symbolize unwavering dedication and leadership in the year 2023. But the excitement did not stop there. The Leaders and Royal Leaders Pin ceremony was a moment of pride as leaders were honored for their achievements and contribution to the Atomy community. This year, a new member entered the Leaders Club and Royal Leaders Club of Atomy Canada. The dedication, hard work, and true vision of our Canadian members inspired everyone present to never stop dreaming, setting up the stage for greater success. I wish you were there, everyone. The room was filled with cheers and applause. Our program followed with the inspiring story and road to success from Royal Master Rebecca Wong. Her vibrant energy and true passion for Atomy brightened the stage while inspiring everyone to plan and prepare for success. But obviously, the festivities did not end there. Next is the highlight of our Success Academy, the Mastership Promotion Ceremony. It was a testament to the perseverance of all newly promoted Sales Masters, Diamond Masters, and Sharon Rose Masters who shared their secret and know-how for everyone to achieve their dreams. This recaps our event for May 11th, the Toronto Success Academy. And just when we thought it could not get any better, Atomy Canada took Calgary by storm for the second time. The energy was electric as we came together to celebrate success and reunion. On Saturday, May 25th, we headed to Calgary where the enthusiasm was equally contagious. One of the event's main highlights was a visit from Diamond Master Joyce Dumertier, who traveled all the way from Europe to share her expertise on the Atomy business model. Her presentation, rich with global experience, ignited a passionate response from our Canadian members, encouraging them to embrace and excel in Atomy. The event also showcased the importance of the Atomy Go 100 campaign, an initiative aiming to introduce Atomy to 100 new people, anytime, anywhere. Our testimony speaker shared in great details her findings and how she approached the Go 100 campaign with her partners in style. The climax of the Calgary Success Academy took place during the Vision Lecture, delivered by our distinguished Crown Leaders Club member, Crown Master Nami Lee. Her story embodies Atomy's ultimate goal, allowing ordinary people to dream big and to achieve a balanced life. What an exciting event program it was, everyone! Now, let's hear a few words from the participants who attended the Toronto and Calgary Success Academy in May 2024. Let's go!
Hi, thank you, Calgary Success Academy. It's still amazing. We're here last year, 2023, but it's just we don't know Atomy yet. But now we're promoted as Diamond Master. All my teams is here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Atomy Toronto, for having me here at Success Academy. I hope my vision and my lecture has inspired all of you guys to go ahead and get to Imperial Master all the way to the top. Aza, aza, aza!
A huge thank you to all the participants and public speakers for making these events a very memorable one. Thank you for joining me as we revisited the highlights of the Toronto and Calgary Success Academy. I am Diamond Master Marina Nguyen, reporting live from Atomy Canada HQ. Thank you.